How can I repair my PVC sheet? Today we're gonna see the main methods to repair or update the structure of my air dome. Before the repairing, we need to read carefully the instructions of our product and clean the PVC sheet to repair using acetone and a mop, or if we don't have acetone available, we can use alcohol, even if it's preferable acetone. Let's begin with the tape. This is a special tape, very soft and very useful for small repairings. It has a plastic peel to remove and then we can apply the tape. It's very fast for small scratches or holes, but has no strength against traction, so we cannot use it everywhere. Let's move on to the glue. This is a monocomponent PVC glue. On the market there are several types of it, and it's used mainly for medium repairings. And we need to take 2 sheets to glue, put a film of glue, wait 1 minute to activate the glue with air humidity, and then attach the 2 sheets and press. It's very useful for medium repairings. It's a bit more time consuming with respect to tape, and being a monocomponent, we need to be careful when using it and storing it. When it's not used, we need to close the bin rapidly. Now let's see the welding. This is an industrial hot air blower and can be used to weld together 2 PVC sheets. We need to put the sheets one onto the other. Then, using the blower, we heat the sheets like this one, and when sheets are hot, we use the roller to press them together and weld them. It's a technique used for big repairings. It's a bit time consuming and need a technician to do it. Very often there are companies offering this service. In addition, if the PVC is exposed to sunlight, after 7-10 years, ultraviolet rays damage the PVC sheet, so we cannot weld old sheets. This is all for today. If you have doubts or questions, down in the comment or on our website. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.